Hello friends, welcome to GSSK channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to generate e-certificate automatically using Google Form with the Certify plugin. If you are a new visitor, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for each and every new videos. So for creating e-certificate using Certify plugin, you have to install the plugin in the Google Form, and with the Google Form data on this e-certify plugin settings, you can able to create an automatic e-certificate to the participants. This e-certificate from Certify plugin is well suited for online exams and online quizzes. The only disadvantage is the mail will contain a line called this e-certificate is created using Certify M. If you don't want that line, if you want fully customizable email, then go and watch my video of creating e-certificate using AutoCorrect plugin. There will not be any advertisements. You can use it well for webinars and online seminars or classes. Lot of templates are available in the Certify plugin. So this is one kind of where you can have a name, event name, date, current date, that is today, or the date which the certificate is generating, pass percentage, or the score scored by the participants, and certificate ID. There is no use of printing certificate ID. Why? Because we don't have any online platform to verify whether the certificate is whether we don't have any online platform to verify the originality of the certificate. Say for example, in Udemy or Coursera websites, they will be providing the URL in the certificate itself, so we can able to verify the originality of the certificate. In Certify plugin, they are not providing that facility. So including Certify ID is just for namesake. So these are all the predefined tags available. Tags is nothing but where the data is dynamically included in your certificates. These are all the tags available in the Certify plugin. You can verify in the Certify website also. I will give the link in the description. You can use only these tags. So this is how we have to create a template for a certificate. For giving the name, you have to give the tag called full space name. It has to be enclosed within the set braces or curly braces or flower braces, whatever you call. If you are not satisfied with the Certify templates, and if you want to create your own designs in your certificates, if you want to include your own college logo, and if you want to include your own text and all, you have to create your own certificate in slides, that is PowerPoints. So I will create a separate video for how to create the customized videos, and we'll put the link in this description on top of this video. So first we have to create a Google form. You all know that how to create the Google forms. So I have already created a Google form. The mandatory fields are name, mail ID. So we have to include the name in the certificate, and we have to send the certificate to the mail ID. So these two fields are very important. Make it a required field, and I am creating a separate section for all the quiz questions. So I have made two questions with two options. So this is normal Google form. Why I am making this into two sections is if you want to shuffle the question, making into two sections is better. Why? Because if in one section, if you are shuffling the questions, your name and mail ID will also get shuffled together with the question, and that looks clumsy. So how to change this normal Google form into a quiz? So go to settings. There will be three sections. So limit to one response. So one participant can able to submit only one response. That's your choice. No need to edit after submit. So go to presentation. If you want, you can give shuffle question order, and if you want to show the progress bar to the participant, you can click this and go to the third section called quiz. Enable this. So after enabling this toggle button, click save. Now we can check the each and every question will be having this extra option called answer key and the number of points for this questions. So if your quiz toggle button is off, this will not be quiz anymore. This is just a form to collect the data. If you are toggling the quiz button, so it will automatically gives the scores if the user gives the correct answers. Okay, so you have to click here, you have to choose the correct option, and you have to give the points. It may be 1 or 2 based on your total points. Okay. You have to do this for all the questions. So now I have given 2 points for this entire quiz. And in the quiz section, you are also having some other options. So whatever options you are needed, you can choose. This respondent can see missed questions or correct answers, point values. Whatever you needed, you can give the options. And now what you have to do next is to install plugin. If you don't have the plugin, you have to click the three dot over here, add-ons, click the add-ons. Yes, your G Suite marketplace is open. Search Certify M. So here's the Certify M plugin. You have to install it. It will ask for the user ID. So when you click install, it will ask for the permission. So choose your own Google account. Give allow. And now the plugin will be installed in your Google form. So you can see the plugin add-on symbol here. So choose it, choose Certify M, show Certify M controls. So the Certify M dialog box will be open. Initially the certificate notification will be in the off. So you have to turn it on so that it will automatically send the certificate. So here it is, certification is off, turn on, and here is the pass percentage. So maybe 40, 50 or 60 based on your own willingness. And template, this is where you can choose template of the certificates. So you can choose any template available from Certify M website. If you want, you can create your own. So in that time you have to create a custom template from your Google slide. So you can see my another video of how to create custom certificates for Certify M plugin and Autocorrect plugin. So now as of now I'm using a template available in Certify M. So you can see here the quota, right? This is from Gmail. From our Gmail account we can able to send 100 mails per day. Okay, whether you are using Certify M plugin or Autocorrect plugin, you can send only 100 emails. So then go for advanced option. So in advanced option you can specify the customized messages. So once the user submits, click the submit button. What is the phrase that has to be displayed? You have to enter here. Then email options, name of the sender you have to give, subject of the email, and contents of the body. So whatever content you are giving, the last line will be added by the Certify M. The certificate is created by the Certify M. The last line will be added automatically. And if you want some blank carbon copy, you can add a mail. And certificate options, if you want to send us an image or PDF, you have to choose, then click save changes. So there you go, click send, copy the link, and you can share this link to the participants. So when they are giving the quizzes, they can able to get the certificate if they are getting above 50%. So let us check. So first we will select the wrong options, so you won't get the certificate if for wrong options. I'm submitting. Yes, my mark is 0, so I won't get certificate. So I'm putting my name as 2 because I'm trying for the second time. Giving my mail ID. Now I'm giving the correct options. And I am submitting. So this is what the message we have made in the settings. So my score is 2 out of 2, that is 100%. Now we will go and check the mail. So here you can see certificate is received, e-certificate, the subject is e-certificate, that is what we have given. And for the mail content, email content goes here, that is what I have given. So as I told, the last line, this email sent automatically using certificate Google is added. So let us see the certificate. This is in the PDF format. So GSSK2. So first time I have given the wrong answers, so I am not getting the certificate. Second time I am giving the correct answers, so for getting above 50% only I am getting the certificate. So this is how we can create automatic e-certificate process within 10 to 15 minutes using Certify-M plugin. So now we have to change our own name. Customize certificate means how to do it. I will do it in a simple way. So go to slides.google.com. So if you are already created, no problem. Otherwise, go for a blank presentation. So whatever images, whatever text fields you need, you just add. Please don't copy paste. Sometimes copy paste don't work. So you type all the tags. So I have created a slide, saved as a sample one. So I am included the tag for name, title, date and percentage. So make sure that you don't have any space between the curly braces and the text. So if you have spaces, it won't work. So now a certificate template, a simple certificate template is ready. Go to Certify-M controls. In the template, choose custom template. Select new file. And your Google slide will be open, and automatically whatever all the slides available it will show. Select. So here you can see the name, so save the changes. So now you can try submitting the form. So you will be end up with output like this. If you are giving errors in the tags, if you are making mistakes in the tag, that is space like this. So make sure you don't have any spaces. Yeah, our certificate is received. Here goes the name I have given as custom template. The title of the form is Certify-M certificate, the current date and the marks score. For creating attractive certificates, I will create one more video, so please do watch. I will give the link in the descriptions. And if you want to know how to create certificate in AutoCAD plugin, please do watch that video also. Thank you.